So welcome to another video for ADSM Driving School. I'm with Charles and we're going to be looking at big roundabouts here in Colchester. Just judgment, when to go, what lanes to position in. This is just a really quick video on what we're going to be doing. So we've done it a little bit already and we're going to go and have another go. Okay, Charles?
Excellent.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Right, when you're ready, if you want to start your engine, we'll go to the end of the road where we're going to turn right, please.
Okay.
So at this first roundabout, we're going to go left at this roundabout. So it's similar to what we did last lesson.
Okay, yeah. So I have to, because it's really green.
So remember, keep checking your left because you've got a bus lane on your left, haven't you?
Yeah.
So you can move across when it's safe. So now just really take your time. So you're still a bit quick at the moment. That's it. Have a look.
Right.
So first gear. Nice.
I can go.
Okay, lovely. That's it. Good. Okay, nice. So it's a nice little approach, but what could we do to improve that approach?
I should have slowed down a bit more, I think.
Yeah. Alright, so when it's safe, I recommend that you move into the right-hand lane when it's safe, please.
Oh, okay, right. Oh.
Okay, so wait for him.
Yeah.
So re-indicate again now. So,
Move across.
drop back there.
Sorry.
Drop back. Are you going to move across?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Well done. Nice. Excellent. Oh, where's your brakes? When we're turning right on this roundabout, we're going to do a U-turn. It's the 5th exit.
Alright.
Okay. Off the brakes. Off the brakes. Because the roundabout's clear, we shouldn't be stopping on a clear roundabout, remember?
Yeah.
So indicate right for me. Don't worry, it's all good. We are all good. That's in second gear.
One.
That's number 2.
Also, that's number 2, sorry.
That's number 3. That's all right.
Number
Don't
3.
worry. It's easy to lose the first one on that roundabout. Not yet. Keep going.
Alright.
Check your left and then indicate. That's it. Is anyone on your left?
No.
Okay. Bit more power then. Come off. Nice. Well done. So both roundabouts, you had the same issue.
Right.
What that issue was?
I think I didn't slow down enough. I think.
Cancel signal for me.
Sorry.
Okay, and when it's safe, I'd like you to move into the right-hand lane when it's safe.
Okay.
Lovely, well done. It was, you looked at the line.
Oh, okay.
We didn't look as we approached. Yeah,
right.
So we're going to turn right, it's the 4th exit.
Oh,
And
okay.
the number 3rd exit is closed, so they've got roadworks in the number 3rd exit.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so you should already have a look,
Ah, okay.
have a rough idea. So, off the brakes. Can we go?
Yeah.
Nice. There you go. So I
Okay.
sort of tagged in there just to give you a few prompts. Yeah, when to look. So that's number 1 just there, isn't it?
That's number 1.
Police station's number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah. Have you checked your left recently?
No, not yet.
That's it. Indicate. That's it. Because number 3 is closed, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
So we can't come off. So we can indicate a little bit earlier.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Yeah. Nice. So, check your right door mirror. That's it. Remember, any movement from that normal driving position, we should be checking the appropriate door mirror for it.
Okay.
It's just regular checks all the time, looking around you so you know what's going on, so there's no surprises.
Yeah.
So we're going back down to the roundabouts again. We're going to do the same circuit we've literally just done. So Charles, what was the thing that we need to pick up on that we didn't do on the first 2 roundabouts, but I prompted you on the second one?
I should have planned the roundabout.
Okay,
ahead,
yeah. So
definitely.
judging, looking much earlier on approach.
Yeah, absolutely.
Perfect, okay. So we're going to go left at this roundabout for me, please.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it indicates too early.
A little bit, possibly. A little
Yeah, I
bit.
think I
Yeah,
did.
it's not hurting anyone though at the moment, is it?
No.
No. So where do you need to be looking now?
Left.
So slow right down now. I'm going to give you a couple of prompts. Start looking through the gaps in the shields there, look.
Yeah.
So. First, before you get there's loads of cars, isn't there?
Yeah.
That's it. Nice.
I can go.
Brilliant. Well done. Super smooth pull away. Really, really nice. That's excellent.
Thank you.
Cool. So on your driving test, if the examiner needs you to do something that's coming up quickly and it's busy, they might ask or recommend that you change lanes.
Right.
So they'll set you up for the next thing ahead, especially if it's busy traffic. It's not particularly busy, but let's do it. Let's have a practice. So when it's
Alright.
when you're ready and it's safe to do so, I recommend that you move into the right-hand lane.
Yeah.
So, nice. So remember what we said? Start looking at the
Plan ahead.
roundabout. Look, there's nothing there at the moment, is there?
Nothing at the
So,
moment.
good. And we're turning right, aren't we?
Yeah,
Fifth
that's
exit. So have a look.
Oh, I can go.
Nice. Really nice judgment call. Excellent.
Thank you.
Do you see the difference on that
100%.
roundabout compared to the last time we did that?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's number 2, isn't it?
That's number 2, yeah.
Perfect.
Number 3.
Lovely, well done. So we need to keep checking that left door mirror the whole time you're doing this. So,
Indicate.
okay. So. Nice. Brilliant, well done. Nice, I like that little bit of oomph to get off the roundabout there. That was really, really good.
Thank you, yeah.
I recommend that when it's safe that you move into the right-hand lane.
Alright.
Good. So there's no rush. When the examiner or I suggest that, or your instructor suggests that, there's no rush for you to get across. It's I recommend. Yeah, if it's not safe, it's not safe. If it's not safe, you don't think it's safe, don't go.
Yeah.
But the
yeah.
examiner's setting you up, and I'm setting you up for the next roundabout. Right, we're turning right. 4th exit.
Alright, so I have to start looking at it.
Yeah.
4th exit. Oh, I can go.
Much
4th.
nicer. Yeah, nice.
So wait, which exit?
4th. So that's
So
number
that's
1.
1.
Yeah.
2.
Police station's number 2. So think about it is.
Sorry,
That's
yeah.
well done. That's it. Okay,
Number
left.
3 is.
That's it. Look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So check. That's it. Yeah.
Oh, did I do something wrong there?
No.
Oh, he should have not.
He shouldn't
He shouldn't have done that. No.
Yeah, he undertook you dangerously on that roundabout. We
Very
weren't going
bad.
particularly slowly. We were doing about 15 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So it wasn't a particularly slow thing that we were doing.
No.
Yeah. So we just got to make sure, and that is exactly why we always check our mirrors when we're coming off roundabouts.
Okay,
You've got to check.
yeah.
You've got to protect yourself.
All right.
Yeah. So slow down a little bit for me. Come over to the left. That's it. There you go. Lovely. Off the brakes. Check your right door mirror.
Okay.
There you go. Nice. Well done.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a wide enough road that we can let emergency services through.
Yeah.
And it was safe to let them through. Yeah. It wasn't dangerous. It wasn't illegal. We weren't doing anything
All right.
wrong. Yeah. So that was nice. So here's a question for you.
Yeah.
How much easier is it? Is it easier when you're planning ahead on the roundabout and you're looking as early as you can at the roundabout?
Yeah, much easier, definitely.
Yeah.
Because you can see, you can like kind of see whether to go ahead or just stop.
So you can time it with the traffic that's already on there.
Oh, there's a parked car over here.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. So he's pulled over to the left, hasn't he? Look. Yeah.
Yeah.
So check your right door mirror. That's it.
Yeah.
There we go. Well done. Okay, so we'll do that little loop again. So we're going to go left at the roundabout for me, please.
All right. Start planning ahead. Might go yet.
That's all right. Just make sure you're ready.
Yeah.
Good. So it was a good call to go in that space. Could we have gone fractionally early? Just timed it a little bit more different.
Based on my judgment, I don't know, to be honest.
Okay.
I
Alright.
have
I mean,
no
it was safe
idea.
what you did, wasn't it?
It was safe.
And we didn't know where that other car was going to go.
No idea,
So
to be honest.
that's fine.
I can't move over here.
That's right. So the conclusion of that is no.
No.
You went exactly when you could. Yeah. Perfect. That's brilliant. So watch out here, look.
Sorry.
You're on that space, don't you?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Let's drop back. We're going to turn right at this roundabout, 5th exit.
Alright,
So
you
give
turn, yeah?
yourself- Yeah, please. We need to give yourself loads of space on that car. Because if they stop, we need to be able to stop in time, don't we?
Yeah. Have to look ahead. Yeah, I can go.
Nice. Good, excellent.
Because he was coming off.
Yeah, yeah. No, you timed it really nicely. I really like the observations on that one. That was very good.
Thank you, yeah.
Remember to keep checking that left door mirror.
Yeah.
Not yet. Not yet. Keep it.
Sorry,
That's
sorry.
it. Check. Just quick glances. Yeah. There you go. See, there's a car on your left. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Come on the right. Come off on the right. Come off on the
Sorry.
right. Get power up. Power up the hill. Go on. Power up the hill. Can't see a signal. Okay. So I would normally say let's go over to the left lane, and then that's fine.
Yeah.
But where we're doing at the next roundabout.
Turning right.
Yeah, keep your speed up though, because it is a 40 road. I want to be powering up this hill, like getting up there. That's lovely. Yeah, because we are staying out.
Yeah.
Because it's such a short distance, we're staying out because we're turning right at the next roundabout.
Ah, right,
Yeah.
okay.
So again, that's really like good scenario to understand why we check that left door mirror.
Okay.
Nice.
To look ahead. Look ahead. No, I can't really go yet. Actually, no, I can't.
Good. No, that's fine. That's fine. We didn't stop. You're smooth. The gear change was nice. Okay. So check the left. That's
Yeah.
it. So power. Lots of power now. Really get yourself going. That's it. There you go. Nice. There you go. Excellent. Well done. Yeah. Because you don't want people catching you up. Yeah. When you're coming off, you want to get off that roundabout. You want to clear it.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah. That was good. Well done.
Thank you.
So again, so on that middle roundabout again, we had somebody undertake us. They pulled onto the roundabout next to us, which is incredibly dangerous.
Yeah, very.
Yeah. But you checked your mirrors,
Yeah.
so we knew they were there. In that situation, we had two exits. We could come off in the right-hand lane. It's not a problem.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and it's safer. Yeah.
I thought you always wanted me to go off like
Only
to
if
the
it's
left.
safe.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it's not safe if somebody's undertaking you, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
So yeah, absolutely. So stay on the right. And worst case scenario, we just go around the roundabout again because we're in the correct lane to go all the way around the roundabout, aren't we?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, and then just find our exit again. But
Yeah.
luckily we didn't have to do that, so that's all right.
Yeah.
Lovely. All right then. So we've done it a few times now. We did it last lesson a little bit as well.
Yeah.
Would you like to have a go completely by yourself, independent from me? So I'm going to keep my mouth shut unless it's safety critical.
Okay, I'll give it a go.
You going to give it a go?
Yeah.
Hoo-yah. All right. Yeah, let's do this. Come on. So we're going to go left at the roundabout, first exit, please.
Okay, yeah. Supposed to be. I stopped too early.
No, I think you're okay. No, I think you stopped okay.
Oh, okay.
You could have been a bit cheeky, maybe gone a little bit further forward, but it's all right. You were in control. You made a choice, and I like that. Yeah, it was a safe choice. It was a good choice. So
All
well
right.
done. Okay. I flinched because you tucked in really tight to that corner,
Oh,
and
did
it was like a really sharp. They hadn't laid the curb very neatly, so there's a little bit of a sharp corner. That's why I flinched, because I didn't want to hit the sharp bit. All right, but that's okay.
fine,
You're
that's
good.
fine.
You were in control. I didn't need to do anything, so that's fine. That's fine. All right, so we're going to turn right. Fifth exit. We're going to do a U-turn on this roundabout. Okay.
Okay, yeah. I'm looking ahead. Oh shit, first, yeah. Oh, I can go actually.
Good. Well done. How do you think think that was?
Yeah, that felt great. That felt great. So I had to cancel my signal.
Nice. Lovely, yeah. So it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Super smooth, yeah?
Yeah.
Could we have looked a bit earlier or made a judgment call a bit earlier?
I guess so. Yeah. I'm not too sure really.
Not too
I
sure?
thought
Okay.
I thought my judgment was okay.
Yeah, I think it's
yeah.
okay. It's fine. We didn't come to a stop, did we?
No, we didn't.
And the roundabout was clear, but we did have that extra car there, didn't we?
Oh, did we? Oh, okay, right.
That's why you slowed right down, wasn't it? 'Cause
Yeah,
you weren't
yeah.
sure where that car was going to go.
No.
All right, we're turning right here, aren't we? So.
Yeah, I can go.
Nice. Good.
I had to see where that car was going.
No, perfect. Absolutely perfect. You waited just the right amount of time on that one.
I can go.
Excellent. Well done. That was really nice. That's probably one of the nicer of the lot that we've done tonight, isn't it?
Oh, was it? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I think so. Thank you for watching this video. I just want to say a massive thank you to Charles for being the volunteer for my first ever instructor student video. So remember that when you're driving up to roundabouts, take your time, give yourself an opportunity to learn, to assess, so that you can make the best judgments when you're approaching your roundabouts. Thank you again for watching. Remember to drive safe and enjoy your journey.